nipple clamps, too. Have those twisted on pretty tight.
It's gonna be so much fun having you two living in the house, and I want to formally welcome Jeff to our home.
Thanks, Mrs. S. House rules.
Unfortunately, there's a stern side to the welcome basket.
No smoking pot.
Mom, Jeff needs it. He's got a prescription. He has a compulsive... really bad if he goes off his medication. Oh, shut up, Haley. That's not true. Look, it's not even my rule. It's your dad's. You think I wouldn't like to spark up a doober every now and again? Just take a nice, slow, extra careful drive. But Mom...
It's okay, Haley. I can handle it. I mean, weed's the thing I care about the most, but maybe that should be you.
Oh, thanks, Jeff. Man, you got me thinking about weed now. That stuff makes me want to drink so much soda. I smoke a bone, then I drain a 2-liter of Sunkist in like a second. Freaks people out. What time is it?
It's 6 a.m. I'm checking into a motel, then reporting to jury duty.
You don't always have to sequester yourself, you know.
Yes, I do, Francine. I need to be in a media blackout so I don't compromise the trial. Now, while I'm gone, I need you to manage my fantasy basketball team.
Can I make any trades?
No, just set the lineup.
Stan, you need a power forward.
I have Dirk Nowitzki.
Soft Stan, you need a thug. You need Ron Artest.
I don't want Ron Artest. You don't forget it. I'll have Steve set my lineup.
Fine. But that nerd set your lineup. Watch you lose.
Want the metro section? Thanks. You trying to expose me to the news? Force on this trial? Who do you work for?
Young Man's Fancy!
What?
It's a formal wear boutique for style-conscious preteens! I'm sorry!
Before your jury service begins, please watch this short video.
Hi, I'm Judd Nelson, star of the 1987 courtroom comedy From the Hip. Maybe you remember the scene where I did jello shots off of Elizabeth Perkins' tight buns. Oh, wait, that happened in real life. Anyway, every American's got the right to a trial by a jury of his peers. The first step to any trial is jury selection. It's a lot like an acting audition. I used to hate them, but now I'd kill for one. I mean, just murder someone.
Sir, is there any reason you couldn't serve on this jury?
I'd love to. I just don't have regular child care.
The prosecution dismisses juror 4.
Hang on a second. Liar!
What if that had been a real baby?
Sometimes it is.
Congratulations to you all for being selected as the jury in this case. Have you selected a foreman?
I would like to nominate myself as jury foreman. Your Honor, I love the law, and I love justice, and I will do anything, even die, to preserve them.
How many of you can read? No. Okay, you're foreman.
Oh, I hope it's still in the toilet. I don't know who left it, but it is crazy big. It's sticking out of the water like a shipwreck.
Jeff!
What the hell, man? I thought everyone was out. You have got to lock the freaking door, dude. I'm sorry. But when I'm not smoking pot, I suffer from HLS, hyperactive libido syndrome. When it hits, I gotta get busy right away.
If you're gonna do that in this house, you'll do it where everyone else in this family does it. In Steve's bed. What?
Today we will be hearing the case of the People versus Martin Sugar. Mr. Sugar is accused of manufacturing and distributing millions of dollars worth of counterfeit handbags. Please bring in the defendants.
Justice time.
Hi. It's me, Roger. Stan. Just look over here. Just for a sec. Stan.